The state has decided to decline prosecution in the matter of the state versus DJ Olla. Notwithstanding the fact that the complainant in this matter, naMudiwa, had already deposed to an affidavit withdrawing charges against his friend DJ Olla. So all is well that ends well. We wish you all a happy day. At law, Olla can never be said to have harbored the requisite intention to commit the alleged offense. So at law, legally speaking, there is no offense.
We are saying this is about Olla and no one else. If there is any offense that was committed by any other person, we do not know, and we do not have any interest in that. We are talking about Olla and talking about him as a journalist. There is no offense that he committed as a journalist according to the law.
Thank you so much. Olla, how does it feel?
It feels good.